cloud-assisted privacy-preserving spectral clustering algorithm within a multi-user setting. Abstract. Spectral clustering is a useful method in artificial intelligence, but it can be slow and resource-intensive. For those with limited data and computational power, using cloud computing to handle the heavy lifting can be very helpful. Document. In document we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references. Results. This is the project home page. This is the owner registration page. The owner can log in using valid credentials. This is the owner home page. This is the upload file page. The owner need to be upload the files over here. Here the cloud should be login using default credentials. This is the cloud home page. The cloud can view the file request from the users, and he can accept or reject the files here, and performing the spectral algorithm on large data only to view the graphical representation. This is the active list accepted by the cloud who has accepted for the file encryption. This is the encrypted users list. The cloud only can see this list. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030333433.